All right, eighth graders, here is your first math lesson. It is on estimation. Today we're going to be working on estimating and calculating costs. If you look over here to the left, to estimate is to find an answer close to the exact answer. Now, how many of you go shopping? I assume a lot of you do. If you have cash, you're getting lots of items and you only have so much to spend, it's good to estimate what it's going to cost you when you get to the checkout line. So, let's go through the first part. Several friends held a book sale to collect money for their community center. Lewis collected $14.86. Yuki collected $11.39. Al collected $12.52. Their goal was to donate $35. Did they reach their goal? The friends estimate the total amount. To do this, they round each amount to the nearest dollar. Look at the first digit to the right of the decimal point. If it is 5 or more, they round it up. If it's less than 5, they round down. So when we look at this, they are looking at this number right here that I highlighted in yellow, and they are looking over to what I highlighted in, oops, let's try that again. What I'm going to highlight in red over here. And that's determining the whole dollar amount. So $14.86 is rounded up to 15. $11.39 is rounded down to 11. And $12.52 is rounded up to 13. Then they added the problem together and got $39. So it says Lewis, Yuki, and Al did reach their goal. To find their exact answer, Lewis adds a column starting with the cents column. Yuki uses a calculator. She clears the calculator of other numbers. Then she enters each amount followed by the plus sign. After last amount, she pressed the equals key. So that's just what you're going to be doing today. You're going to have some word problems, and you are going to be deciding if they met what they were asking. We have a reminder over here. It says, since Juan wants to be sure he has enough money, he rounds each item up, even if the number to the right of the decimal is below 5. So Juan is just going to say, okay, if it's $12.99, I'm rounding it to 13. 17.25, he's going to round up just so he knows if he has enough money. Another key factor when I'm doing word problems is I like to highlight the numbers that come up. So, guided practice number 1. Juan has $50 to spend at Music World. He wants to buy CDs that cost $12.99, $17.25, $15.49. He estimates the sales tax will be about $4. And it's asking if he has enough money. So Juan estimated that the $12.99 to 13, the $17.25 to 18, the $15.49 to 16, and then he added in the sales tax. It is a plus problem. If you have your calculators, you can use this to add it up. I don't have my calculator handy, so I'm going to do it by hand. So I know that 4 plus 6 is 10, and I know that 8 plus 3 is 11, and 10 plus 11 is 21. So I'm going to put a 1. I'm going to carry my 1. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I get $41. So the question is, does he have enough money? He's going to spend 41. He has 50 to spend. So yes, he has enough money. Number 2, Odetta is buying cans of cat food. Each cost 89 cents. How much will the 15 cans cost before tax? So it says round 89 cents to the nearest dollar. Well, if I was to round 89 cents to the nearest dollar, I would get it to equal $1. Now, it says multiply the rounded amount by 15. So if I have this and I take $1 and I'm multiplying that by 15. When I do that, I get 005 placeholder 001. And when I add that together, I get 15, and then I got to put my decimal in there, so it's $15. So I get 15.00. So the cat food will cost about, and this is where we put our dollar sign in, $15. So there you go on the guided practice. You're going to stop the video now and make sure you have your paper, your guided notes filled out. Now, when you come down here, we have problems 3 and 4, which says to estimate each answer. Now, what I said I like to do is I like to highlight the numbers in a problem. Kit wants to buy paperback books that cost $5.25, $6.50, and $2.95. About how much will she spend on books? Now, over to the side, I'm going to write an answer. And I've got $5.25. That would round to 5. Then I have $6.50. That would round up to 7. And $2.95, that rounds to 3. So when I take 5 plus 7 plus 3, I would get 15. So I'm going to write 15. And it says how much, that's dollar sign. This time your dollar sign stands for your label. You do not have to write out the word. It's $15. So you're going to pause the video now and you are going to do problem number 4. When you come down here on the next part, it says find the exact answer. So on problem number 5, I'm going to highlight the numbers. It says the community center's driver buys a car battery costing $54, windshield wipers costing $12. How much will he spend for these items? Now, it says exact answer. So over here to the side, I'm going to write $54, and then I'm going to write $12. And it says, how much will he spend? That means it's a plus. So I'm going to take 4 plus 2 and get 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. And once again, this is talking money. So my dollar sign works for a label, and it's $66. Now, you are welcome to use your calculator on any or all of these problems. So you're going to pause the video now, and you are going to finish answering through question number 10. Remember, use your calculators if you need help. All right. Next, it says write a few sentences explaining how you estimate a total when you have only a certain amount of money to spend. So if I give you 20 bucks and I send you to Walmart to buy stuff, you have to figure out how much it's going to cost without going over $20. And you have to think about sales tax. So you're going to write an answer. Then when you get that answer written with a complete sentence, you are going to submit it to me through Canvas. Have fun and enjoy doing this assignment.